Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains and episode 12 of Building My First Diorama. If you've been following along, you know we're already laid some solid groundwork. But today is a really exciting step because we are unboxing and assembling a Piko building set that includes 5 unique structures. This set is going to bring the entire layout to life, I'm hoping, with buildings like main station, a loco shed, signal tower, even a little family house. I've been waiting for this package like a kid at Christmas, and I can't wait to get into it, so let's go. So first up, the signal tower. It's a medium-sized kit. But it has tons of small details. I love how Piko designs these super modular grade instructions and lots of realistic touches. And we have an instruction sheet as well. It's mostly diagrams, which I actually prefer, very IKEA vibes. I always start by laying out all the components just to get my head around what's what. And we've got walls, roof parts, some tiny little window frames and some clear plastic for the glass panes. I'm also seeing the scene sheets, which they include the multiple station names in different languages. That's a nice touch if you're trying to localize your scene. And something I love, adding these transparent plastic windows. It's one of those steps that immediately boosts the realism of your build. I cut them to size and use a tiny bit of plastic glue to fix them behind the frames. Gluing starts with the outer walls. I always test fit everything before gluing. Some of these joints are snug, and a mistake here could throw off the whole alignment. It's coming together, just added the roof and platform railing. There's something really satisfying about watching these flat pieces become a fully formed building. And here's the completed signal tower. I'm honestly really impressed with the detailing. This one's going to sit near the switches, overseeing track activity like a boss. Moving on to the locomotive shed. Now this one's definitely a level up. We've got way more parts here, including 2 large front doors that I plan to leave open so my engines can roll in and out. The instruction sheet is about twice as long, but thankfully it's clear and the parts are well labeled. I start by organizing walls over here, roof, panels, and these massive door sections front and center. With bigger pieces like this, it's all about patience. Glue the side walls first and let them set firmly before attaching the roof. You don't want a wobbly shed. And placing this one on, let's say, the left side of the main station where the track occurs. That way it becomes the first structure the locomotive interacts with. It will look really dynamic when the engines are coming and going, I'm hoping. And here comes the centerpiece, the main station. This one has a lot of pieces and it builds out in multiple segments on the same base platform. It's like 3 buildings in one. There are so many cool elements here, like roof, overhang, station benches, lights, fences, chimneys, post or signage. It's a playground for detail lovers. I especially love the little station benches. They're a tiny feature, but they help tell a story, and I can already imagine a passenger sitting there waiting for a local train. This one's going to be front and center on the layout, so I'm holding off on gluing it until let's say I can do some extra detailing and maybe a bit of weathering. And finally, we've got this cozy family house. It's smaller, but it's got charm for days. And look at those shutters and the texture roof. I plan to place it in the background, tucked away near some trees. That's what I'm thinking, just to give the scene some depth and a human element. So here they are, fully assembled and ready for paint. I'll be adding weathering and maybe some additional texture to blend them naturally into the scene. You'll see that in a future episode. And yes, before anyone asks, the station platform you just saw in one of the pictures, I got so excited to start building that I completely forgot to hit record. Oops. Consider it as a bonus mystery piece. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What buildings do you think needs the most weathering? And maybe just make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss the next episode where we start placing these on the layout and painting them up. Bye everyone.